Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how Deel makes money. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a step back and talk about what Deel is. Deel is a global employment platform that helps companies hire and manage remote workers from all over the world. They provide a suite of tools and services that make it easy for companies to onboard, pay, and manage their remote employees. Now, let's get into the specifics of how Deel makes money. Deel's revenue streams. Deel generates revenue from three main sources. Fees for processing payroll. Deel charges companies a fee for each employee that they process payroll for. This fee varies depending on the size of the company and the number of employees. Fees for providing benefits. Deel offers a variety of benefits to employees, such as health insurance, dental insurance, and life insurance. Companies that choose to offer these benefits to their employees will be charged a fee by Deel. Fees for currency conversion. Deel allows companies to pay their employees in their local currency. If the company's currency is different from the employee's currency, Deel will charge a fee for converting the currency. Deel's pricing. Deel's pricing is based on a number of factors, including the size of the company, the number of employees, and the benefits that the company chooses to offer. Here is a general overview of Deel's pricing. For companies with 1 to 10 employees, $199 per month per employee. For companies with 11 to 50 employees, $149 per month per employee. For companies with 51 to 250 employees, $99 per month per employee. For companies with 251 plus employees, $79 per month per employee. In addition to the monthly fee, Deel also charges a fee for each transaction that is processed. This fee is typically around 1 to 2% of the transaction amount. Deel's profitability. Deel is a profitable company. In 2021, the company generated $200 million in revenue. Deel is also growing rapidly. The company has more than 1,000 employees and is expanding its operations to new markets. Deel's competitors. Deel has a number of competitors, including Remotely. Remotely is a global employment platform that offers a similar suite of tools and services as Deel. GP Workforce. GP Workforce is another global employment platform that offers a similar suite of tools and services as Deel. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace that allows companies to hire freelancers from all over the world. Deel is a profitable and growing company that is making a significant impact on the global workforce. The company's suite of tools and services makes it easy for companies to hire and manage remote workers from all over the world. Deel is also a fair and ethical company that is committed to providing its employees with a safe and supportive workplace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and healthy.